It's time for my Korean skincare review. I'm wearing this fresh blue color today because I'm reviewing the Essential. It's a Korean brand that's known for using guaiazulene as a main ingredient. This organic compound is named from the Spanish word azul, which means blue. But it's more than just a pretty color. It's a naturally blue crystalline distilled from the chamomile flower. It's also made of essential oils that soothes and regenerates the skin. The Zero Cleanser has antibacterial properties that deep cleans the skin. It's soft to the touch and has a fresh, clean scent. The first toner has a calming, cooling effect that reduces redness and swelling. The double serum has antioxidants that lessens wrinkles, moisturizes, and makes the skin have that fresh glow. You can immediately see its brightening effect and even skin tone. I felt fresh, awakened, and ready to face the day.